Hello, happy Wednesday. So today's Wednesday, September 30th. We have no Teams meeting today, so everything that you're going to do in Canvas. So if we take a look at today's goals, which you obviously got to the right Canvas place because you're watching this video, let's take a look at today's goals. So hopefully by the end of today, you'll be able to gain a better understanding of the different types of weathering and how those different types of weathering can affect the different types of rocks. As you know, we have no warm-ups this week, so you don't have to worry about that. We are then going to look at our weathering activity day one, and then if there's time, we're going to work on our vocab today. So your homework, which it's actually due at the end of the school day today, is your weathering activity day one assignment, and it is due by 2:30 this afternoon. We're going to use the things that you upload to check attendance. So that's how we're going to follow attendance for today. So let's get into it. Um, Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to download your weathering gizmo day one. So download it, save it into your science folder. You're also going to access the weathering gizmo at Explore Learning. So you'll click on Explore Learning. Click on this to log in and enroll. You're going to put your username and your password in. Your username is right here, Unami. The password is Gizmo Gizmo. So once you log in, you're going to go up here to find gizmos. And you're going to do a search for weathering. Then you're going to launch the gizmo. And here it is. Remember that you also have your document that you downloaded, and you can make sure your document is open. So now what I want to do is have a split screen. So just like we showed you in the instructions, hit Windows key and an arrow, and then you can hit the weathering gizmo here. So now you have both things up at once. So you're going to start looking at the animation tab, just like the instructions say to here, and you're going to read about mechanical and chemical weathering. When you finish that, you're going to select the simulation tab, which is right here, and you're going to come back to your worksheet and you're going to watch the video. Now the video will go through exactly what you need to do. There's also written instructions here for everything, but I thought it might be easier if you just watch a video of it. So I made this video, hit Control, and then click the link, and then hit play. Okay, so as you can see, everything is right there for you. So if you have any questions, you can either read the instructions or you can watch the videos. Now, in order to get out of this, you can't just exit it. So what you'll do is you'll hit the escape key on your computer. Okay, and that'll bring you out of the video. You'll follow the instructions and do the animation. Then you're going to do activity A. Again, we have another video that you can watch. For activity A, you're going to move over into the animation page. Okay? And then remember, hit escape to get out of it. Do the simulations. Answer all of the questions. If you need any help or anything, email me. I'll be available at parts of the time for email, so I might be able to help you out if it's something pretty quick. But I think it's pretty self-explanatory what you need to do. Okay, so once you're done with all of that, you're going to take this, your worksheet, make sure that it's saved, and then you're going to upload it. Okay, on your button, this is the teacher screen, but on your button, you're going to see something that says submit. So just click submit and upload the completed gizmo. Now, for some of you, it might take the whole period to do this, and that's fine. Some of you might get it done real quick and want to be able to kind of move on a little bit, and that's fine too. So if you find after you've submitted it, remember it's due by 2:30. After you've submitted it, if you'd want to, you can go and you have extra time, you can go to your vocabulary. So if you haven't downloaded your vocabulary already, open up your vocabulary. It's right here. There you go. And then you're going to open up your textbook. So a reminder of how to get to your textbook. If you're in modules, and this first module here, bell schedule, district calendar, warm-up template, and textbook, and important stuff. You will click that. You'll go to your textbook. Then you'll click here on class link. Once you get to class link, it's going to ask you to log in. I'm already logged in, so you don't have to worry about that. You're going to go to Pearson Easy Bridge and click on it. And that'll bring you into your product, your textbook. You already set it up. So if you go to Realize, right there, you go to your Earth Science textbook, and yours is going to look a little bit different than mine. But here is your textbook right here. So what you can do is, again, you can have two screens going at the same time. And then come here and okay. Here on the vocab, it tells you what section things are in. So you can click next. We are in 3.1 for rock. Okay, so to get a little bit closer to where you're going to be, let's see. I would go to maybe this, and then you can go through next until you get to section 3.1, or you should be able to, let's see, look at a table of contents. This is probably easier. And then go to section 3.1 from here too. Okay. So let's see. Here we go, rocks. All right, 3.1, the rock cycle. And you can start with maybe that. Okay. Now, my suggestion, what kids love to do for some reason is, well, I know why. They go to the glossary and they start looking just through the glossary for all the terms. Folks, please read the textbook because the textbook can give you information that maybe your glossary doesn't. So read this area. What is a rock? A rock is a solid mass of minerals, and put the definition there. Okay? Then go to the rock cycle, etc. Again, this is not going to be due anytime soon, probably not until maybe next Tuesday or so. But for now, if you have extra time and you want to work on it, then that would be the thing to do. So I think that's about it. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to please email me. And if I can, I'll get back to you. I should be able to. I don't know how fast, but I should be able to get back to you. So if you do have any questions, I can help you out. Other than that, have an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Okay, bye, or some of you. on Thursday. Some of you not till Friday. Have a good day.